Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea biscuits, easy method. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees C and lining a tray. Mix 2 cups flour with 1 tsp baking powder, then cut in 100 g cold butter until coarse crumbs form. Stir in 2 tablespoons sugar and enough milk to bind dough gently. Pat to 1-inch thickness, cut rounds, bake 10-12 minutes until pale gold, then cool briefly and serve warm. In this video, I will show how to make tea biscuits, easy method. Gather 2 cups flour, 1 tsp baking powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, 100 g cold butter, and about 1 2-cup milk. Keep the butter chilled and use a light touch when combining to preserve flakiness. If you prefer richer biscuits, swap milk for buttermilk. Chill the dough briefly if it becomes too soft before cutting shapes and baking for best results. In this video, I will show how to make tea biscuits, easy method. Quick recommendation: if you're juggling oven timers and tea breaks, grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and avoid accidental overbakes. It's leak-proof and easy to sip with floury hands. If that sounds handy, check the description for the link and other deals. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tea biscuits, easy method. Work fast, toss flour and baking powder, cut in cold butter until mixture resembles coarse sand. Stir in milk a little at a time until dough clumps, do not overwork. Pat the dough to about 1-inch thickness, cut rounds, and place on a tray. Brush tops with milk for light color, then bake until edges are set and tops are pale golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.